Want to start selling products on Temu? In this video, I'll show you how to become a seller on Temu and complete the seller registration process. So let's get started. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Now, search for Temu Seller or Temu Seller Center and open the official Temu Seller Center website. Once the website opens, enter your email address and create a password for your account. After that, click on the Register as Seller button. Temu will send a verification code to your email address. Enter the code into the verification field to continue the registration process. Next, select your business location and business type, then click Next. Now, choose your country and select your ID type, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. After that, upload a photo of your ID for verification. Next, enter your business information, including your business name, registration details, and any other required information. Carefully review all the information you've entered and then submit your application. Once your application is submitted, Temu will review your details and notify you when your account has been approved. After approval, you can access the seller dashboard, add products, manage orders, and start selling on Temu. And that's it. You've successfully applied to become a seller on Temu.